Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that could transform your energy solutions. We found this versatile solar inverter kit online, and we've added a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. Introducing the 4000W12V to 110V/220V Solar System Combination Inverter Kit. This all-in-one solar generator home grid system includes a 38 controller and an 18W12V solar panel, designed to meet various power needs. Whether you're looking to power your devices during an outdoor adventure or seeking a backup power solution at home, this kit has got you covered. One of the standout features of this inverter kit is its dual female USB ports. These allow you to easily charge your devices like MP3 players, smartphones, and tablets using a standard USB charging cable. It also converts DC 12V battery power to standard AC 110V/220V, making it versatile for a range of applications. The dual LCD digital display is another incredibly useful feature. This display not only shows you the current power status but also alerts you to important conditions such as battery undervoltage, battery overvoltage, overload, high working temperature, and output short circuits. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that you're always informed about the system's performance and safety. So, who is this solar inverter kit suitable for? If you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves biking, mountaineering, hiking, or camping, this kit is perfect for you. It's lightweight and easy to transport, making it an ideal companion for your adventures. Additionally, it can be a fantastic solution for those who want to ensure they have reliable power during emergencies or power outages at home. Speaking of practical use cases, let's dive into some scenarios. Imagine you're out camping in the woods, and you want to charge your phone or a portable speaker. Simply set the solar panel in the sun, and you can start charging your devices directly. Or, if you're hosting a backyard gathering and need extra power for lights or a small cooler, this inverter kit can provide that convenience seamlessly. In summary, the 4000W12V to 110V/220V Solar System Combination Inverter Kit is an incredibly versatile and user-friendly option for anyone in need of reliable power on the go or at home. Its combination of